Let's take a look at the MATLAB Statistics Toolbox. This toolbox contains a number of features and functions specifically designed to work with regressions, summary statistics, and probability. This slide displays some of the most important additions. All of the regression techniques in this toolbox revolve around the linear model class. A linear model is an object comprising training data, a model description, diagnostic information, and fitted coefficients for a linear regression. The most commonly used method within this class is the linear model.fit method. Note that this is a class rather than a script or a function, so it defines a completely separate object. This object then has specific subfunctions and scripts that will only work on objects of that type, and they are called using this syntax we display here, with the class name, dot, the model name, and then the usual inputs for the model. The linear model.fit command causes it to display a linear regression model with coefficients for the intercept and slope of the function. It will also calculate the standard errors, t-statistics, and p-values at the same time, so you can tell whether or not the model is significantly different from zero. Below these results, MATLAB lists summary statistics, including the r-squared and p-value for the model. There are several different types of linear regression techniques, including linear, nonlinear, robust, and ridge techniques. So the statistics toolbox is not limited to a simple OLS regression. There are dozens of methods within this class that can be accessed through the documentation, but for now, let's look at just one other method, plot. The plot method can be used on normal data with the syntax that we saw in earlier videos, but the linear model class overloads this model for convenience. If I type in plot of model, MATLAB will display the data set on which the model is based, as well as the best fit line and the confidence interval for the line on the graph. It also automatically generates a title, axis labels, and a legend for the graph. The statistics toolbox includes many other functions and scripts, but the most important thing is that all of these new options are integrated within MATLAB itself. You can use each of these new functions, classes, and so on with the exact same syntax as normal MATLAB functions.